Hi! In this video, I am going to show you one of the Brushmarker Pro colour palettes, Flower Colours. The palette consists of 12 colours, mainly shades of red. It is perfect for portraying wildflowers. What you can see now on the screen is how the colour template for the entire palette is being made. There are so many shades of red, it's really impressive. All colours blend together very nicely, which allows to achieve a watercolour effect and wonderful tonal transitions. You can use water or a blender available from our store. Now I'm going to show you a simple technique how to create a stunning image using Brushmarkers Pro. First, create a sketch or a contour of the image and apply colours to the appropriate areas. Cover the entire surface with a small amount of water, using ordinary brushes or a water brush. The result is a simple watercolour illustration. Subscribe to our channel to make sure that you don't miss the next videos and watch the ones you haven't seen yet. See you later!